The ancient stone carvings scattered around it bear testament to the historic value of the Yakkirilla Rajamahavihara in Seruava. According to these carvings, it can be concluded that the Yakkirilla Rajamahavihara was constructed in the 3rd century BC. As such, it must be apt if these premises were conserved as a national heritage site. The ancient temple, which is centered around a cave, is believed to have last been renovated between 1747 and 1787. While the temple later fell into decline with monks not residing there, the people of Seruava are to be congratulated for their efforts to preserve this possible national heritage site. Nevertheless, as of recently, the Yakkirilla Rajamahavihara too has fallen to the grasp of treasure thieves.
Thieves have broken into the temple and have made off with the treasure that was concealed in the chest area and head of the statues of Lord Buddha.
The action of the thieves don't speak much for the placard that has been placed here. While the placard has done nothing to deter treasure thieves, it does prevent the chief incumbent and the benefactors from carrying out any renovation work. As a result of those responsible for placing this placard failing to even inquire into this ancient temple, let alone renovate it, the cave temple, which contains many possible priceless frescoes, is on the brink of ruin.
The historic statue of the sleeping Buddha and the frescoes in the cave are dilapidated and on the brink of ruin. We have informed the authorities of the archaeology department regarding the problem, and while they have accepted the threat posed by termites, I must note that this has been a mere statement on their part and they have not taken any action.
Is the archaeology department delaying taking action in order to determine the extent of the damage that termites can cause? Commissioner General of Archaeology, this one is over to you.